Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luke Ragland. I'm a striving entrepreneur. I'm so glad you clicked on this video because that might mean that you are looking for a logo for your business, and I'd love to share my experience using Fiverr to create my logo. If you're into these business-like videos about starting a company and building a brand, consider subscribing to see more videos like this. We're so close to reaching 100 subscribers, and really, I never thought I'd even reach 100. I honestly didn't even think I'd reach 20 subscribers. So thank you to everyone who subscribed and to who might subscribe during this video. Now, I wanted to create a logo for my company, LWR Innovations, because that is kind of like the head company to the Simple Seat. And if you don't know what the Simple Seat is, the Simple Seat is my product that I'm trying to take to the market. If you want to see a video of that, I'll put a link at the top of this video. But just like how Apple has all their products under them, like the iPhone, the MacBook, iPad, that's what I want the LWR Innovations to be for the Simple Seat. But back to the title of the video, this is my experience using Fiverr to design my logo. And if you don't know much about Fiverr, Fiverr is a platform full of freelancers who can do animation, logo design, website design, basically anything you can think of, they can do. So people like myself can go on Fiverr, get a logo done for pretty cheap and also pretty fast. But lately I've been reaching out to companies and investors about my product, so I thought it's definitely time for a logo. And the first thing I noticed on Fiverr is just how many logo designers there are. There are probably tens of thousands of logo designers, so there's plenty to choose from. So you might be spending a lot of time trying to find someone who could really make the logo that you're looking for. I already had a drawing of what I wanted the logo to look like, but this definitely made it easier for the designer. So I strongly suggest, if you want to get a logo done on Fiverr, make a drawing of it. Even if it's just a little idea that you have, make a drawing and then send it to your designer so it's a lot easier for them. But after looking for a designer for a while, I finally found someone. This logo designer charged me $35 for 4 logos. I got to choose one file that was a transparent background, high resolution, and could be edited on Photoshop. He also made all of these logos in just under 1 day. I submitted a request for a logo at 5 p.m. and got them back around 10 in the morning the next day. But after looking at all the logos, I ended up choosing on this one. I like this logo because it was minimal and it was something that could pop on a t-shirt and business card. Fiverr makes it extremely easy to communicate and change your logo. If you have any revisions, all you do is click the part of the logo you want to change and then it'll send it to the designer. And all of this was done within 1 to 2 days. About 1 day for the logos to be made and another day for the revisions. I really enjoyed the way the logo turned out, but after a few days, I realized it would look a lot better if it was just an all white outline. So that's what I did. I went into Photoshop myself and just made it an all white outline, and now this is the final product. I like this logo a lot better, and I also think it'll be a lot cheaper to put on t-shirts since I won't have to use all that color. This is the logo that I'm currently using, and for just $35, I think Fiverr is a great way that you can get your logo made. I've seen people spend hundreds of dollars on logos when really you can go on Fiverr and get something that's very affordable and also very high quality. And if you're interested on using Fiverr for your business, I'll put a link in the description below that will give you 20% off your first order. If you use this link, let me know down in the comments, and also let me know what kind of business you're in. Also check out my Instagram and send me a DM if you want to talk privately or if you have any questions about business or entrepreneurship or really anything. That's it for this video. If you got anything out of it, please leave a like, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.